For all you guys that want to go fishing, you're going to need the fishing pole. That's not right. Delete that.
Okay.
We'll leave
that running.
You're not going to run it? Okay.
Thanks. You can try it again, yeah.
For the fishing pole, you're going to need 2 balloons. You're going to need a gray balloon, and you're going to need a clear balloon. Your clear balloon, I actually take at the tail end. I pinch. Then I take my other hand and pinch and slide all the way to the other side. I'm going to pinch and twirl and tie that so that it actually makes a little ribbon. We could do it blue, then it would be a blue ribbon fishing pole. But we did clear. Then you take your other balloon that you blow up, twist it off, turn it. You're going to do the handle. You're going to pinch and twist a 1-inch bubble. You're going to twist that off in a little ear twist. Then you're going to make a loop. You're going to twist that all together. And then we're going to have our fishing pole a little straighter. Then we're going to take our end of our fishing pole and the end of our fishing line, tie those together, and then ta-da! All you do is add a fish after about 3 hours of waiting.